Alright, here we go. Propane tank, 20-pound tank, live fire demo, and its application and uses. This particular one's in a chicken house, but this would be great for any outbuilding, garage, ice shack, any small building, deer blind, great. This wood smoke absolutely will not bother the deer. They don't even care. Okay, so I just fired this up. It's a cold, dreary day. I just did this for a demo. And we'll see what we got here. My draft's open. My door. I got a nice coal bed. And she's going. And this is a simple HVAC 3-inch flue going up all the way out the roof. And let's go outside and we'll take a look at my stove cap. And there it is. Working great. Yeah, it is dreary. It's been snowing, it's sleeting on and off, but the chickens are going to be nice and toasty. And there you go. That's a great application right there. Tune in for more, guys.